Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So first things first, you need to install via Microsoft 365 subscription. If you want Word, Excel, PowerPoint updates, sign in to Microsoft 365. You can go to office.com and then click sign in. Use the Microsoft account link to your subscription. And then here, what you're going to do is you have to simply buy from any of their plan right here. You need to subscribe in order for you to download this application. This one is not for free. So you need to tap on buy and proceed to the payment method. For example, if you want to purchase this one to simply download Windows or Word, then all you have to do is to proceed with the payment method. If you want PayPal, just sign into your PayPal and then follow the on-screen prompt or instruction. Microsoft 365 can also or let you use some application if you are logged into a web browser. So all you have to do is tap on like Microsoft Word, or let's just say whatever application you want to try here. So if you tap on Word, then you can use the word here for online, okay, and then just follow. But if you want to really install the Microsoft Office with its application, then you need to go to microsoftoffice.com. And another way is that you can also go to any web browser and look for download Microsoft Office, or you have to look for download the installer. So if you have purchased an installer right here, all you have to do is to run the installer, same process as subscription, approve security, prompt and wait, activate Word, open Word, enter your Microsoft account if prompted, and it will be activated. The very last thing here, simpler but only available with certain licenses. You have to go to Microsoft Store and then search for Microsoft Word, click Get or Install. May require sign in purchase. So you must be an administrator on the PC to install. You have to take note of that. And basically, these are the ways on how to install Microsoft Word in Windows 11. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.